How to adjust video speed, slow motion or fast motion in VEED. First of all, open your browser and go to VEED.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping it into the editor. Once your video appears on the timeline, select the clip you want to adjust. Click on the Speed option under the Edit Video section in the left-hand menu. Here you can see preset speed options like 0.5x for slow motion, 1.5x or 2x for fast motion, or you can use the custom option to get the perfect timing for your video. After adjusting, preview your clip to make sure it matches your desired effect. You can apply different speeds to multiple clips in the same project for creative storytelling. Once satisfied, continue enhancing your video with text, transitions, music or effects, then export your video ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram or other platforms. Now you know how to adjust video speed, slow motion or fast motion in VEED. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.